Welcome back everybody to the channel. My name is Dylan, Space Cadet Crypto, and we're going to be covering more Shiba Inu news that came out today. We're going to be looking at a lot of important stuff. So if you are a Shiba holder, it is important here that you like and subscribe to keep up to date with all the latest news for the Shiba token. But without further ado, let's get started. Okay, so the first piece of news here that we're going to be talking about is that Shiba Swap will be Okay, so our first piece of news that we're going to be talking about is that Shiba Swap is being tested here on Monday with 100 admins, and they will be finalizing the audit. So we could potentially see Shiba Swap here almost to completion, and that means that their ecosystem is just one step closer to being completed. And if you don't know what Shiba Swap is, let's take a look here at their white paper or their wolf paper outlining what Shiba Swap is. And it says, we are dedicating to building the best decentralized ecosystem on the planet. Our three tokens, so the Bone, the Leash, and the SHIB token, were the seeds on which the Shiba Inu ecosystem sprouted, and is how Shiba Swap going to operate. So the goal of Shiba Swap is to provide a safe place to trade your valuable crypto while remaining decentralized. We are loyal to our holders, and that gives us the means to grow exponentially. We are constantly scaling this ecosystem so it can bring increasing interest to parties on the Shiba Swap platform. It says our unique tokenomics, solid design, technical implementation, and the viral growth of our good old-fashioned memes will reinforce the platform's strength and ultimately provide residual benefits to the ecosystem. And making a swap without a budget is a unique challenge, but the tackling various genres and product lines, a focused development team rose from the ranks of our community. So Shiba Swap here is almost completed according to these sources here on Reddit for the Shiba Army. It says they're going to be testing it on Monday, and 100 admins are going to be finalizing it. It says more information will be coming very soon, and I will be updating you on this channel. So remember, if you're a part of the Shiba Army, make sure you subscribe, turn on bell notifications so you don't miss out any important news. And it says we are talking about the next big thing and are very excited about where this is going to go. A lot of plans ahead. And remember, once they release Shiba Swap, they're also going to release their third token that hasn't been released just yet. It's called Bone, but be on the lookout for that. Right now, they only have Leash and Shiba, or the Shiba token. A lot of plans ahead. Do as you please, but I'm going to try to buy as much as possible before this takes off. We are buying Lambos shortly here. So that is an update from Shitoshi Kusama, but we will have to see what actually happens if Shiba Swap actually comes out and is finalized. But that could be very huge news here for Shiba Swap. Apart from adding the coin to many exchanges over the last couple of days, this could also be a huge catalyst to launch the price for Shiba Swap in the near future, or for Shiba Token in the near future. So we're going to have to take a look at that, keep an eye out on that. But let's look at some other news as well. We do have a lot of other peoples and influencers talking about the Shiba token, and still in China we have a lot more news about Shiba token. And we do see that on CoinMarketCap, it is one of the most talked about and trending coins on CoinMarketCap still to this day, even with the price dip that we're going to be talking about a little bit later in the video. We're going to be looking at where price can go in the next coming days to weeks, but we are seeing that the price is not dropping as dramatically as it was the last couple of days. It is stabilizing now, and we could see our next leg up in the near future. But let's look at some other news right now. We also have Kai Green here. If you don't know who Kai Green is, he is a professional bodybuilder, and he's just a celebrity here with almost 300,000 followers. And he is also promoting SHIB Token. It says here, HODL SHIB Token, and he just keeps posting about it here. He keeps saying, Shiba Coin, being charitable always pays back. Be kind and it will pay back. He's also saying that he is never selling Shiba Coin. I don't care how scary, crazy I feel now, but I know this dump went for a good cause, and that's what Shiba is all about. I am holding on for India. Vitalik did not send money to India. He sent it to Shiba Coin. So if Shiba goes down in value, India will receive less money. So hold on to your Shiba Coin. The most important post here says, I am holding my Shiba forever. Anyone that starts off their company with an incredible donation to India during hard times, I am all about that. Shiba Inu coin. So a lot of people you're starting to see are talking about this coin, more famous people here, and it's just the same thing as the Doge effects that happened recently over the last couple months. We had a lot of people talking about that as well. And what did we see? We saw Dogecoin pump up to the top 10 cryptocurrencies. Right now it's at number 5. So we could see the same thing happen here for the Shiba token, with a lot of these influencers and famous people here talking about, like Kai Green having almost 300,000 followers, and now here 2,000 likes, a bunch of shares. So we are seeing the SHIB army growing every day. So that is also a good sign for a lot of holders out there and SHIB army people to see. But now let's jump into the price and see where we see Shiba token going in the next coming days. Okay, so Shiba's price at the time of this recording is 0.000015. It is down 2.5% at for today, and we do see that the price action is stabilizing right now. It has gone between the trading ranges of around 0.000021 all the way down here to 15. And if we look at today's price range, let's take a look here. Let's zoom in. This is a 4-hourly chart, by the way, but we do see that we are below the 50-day moving average. It is acting as our dynamic resistance here. This orange line, it is curving to the downside, and we are about to see a bearish cross happen right here, where we see the yellow, the 21-day moving average, cross down below the 50-day moving average. So if this does happen, we could see more potential downside here. If this yellow crosses down and this orange stays like this is a bear cross, and we could see the price retest this area and see a rejection down to this lower point here of a lot of support that we found over the last couple days. We've seen multiple touch points here, and here. So this could act as another form of support in the near future if we do get that bear cross. But as of right now, nothing has happened just yet. We do see the price here just wavering between these two areas of support and resistance of our Fibonacci retracing levels of the 0.5 and the 0.32. We also see on our RSI, we are extremely oversold here. We are going towards the bottom area, which means that a lot of people are selling and it's more oversold. And once we get to the higher part here, that means we're overbought. So we were overbought here in the regions where we were posting some all-time highs right here and right here. But now we are in the very oversold region. We have corrected a lot, and we did see that big dump after the Vitalik news right here. We saw increased selling volume. But right now we see that the price volume is actually decreasing. So that means that there's going to be a big move coming here in the next coming days for the Shiba token price. We're seeing less and less volume happen over the last couple of days, as we're seeing a decline in the RSI, where we're getting more and more oversold. But that means that the price can go to a quick reversal here, because we do see less and less selling volume, but the volume is still red, but we do see that the price is still going down here. We are finding support here from our 200-day moving average that is coming up slowly, and we can see it being confluent with our golden pocket from our swing high and our swing low here. We do see some more downside in the near future. Let's take a look at some lower time frames. Okay, so now we're looking at the 1-hourly candle chart, and we do see that the 21 and the 50 moving average and the 200-day moving average are all here as dynamic resistance, pushing the price to the downside. As you can see, we've seen multiple touch points here on the 200-day moving average, just wicks to the upside. That selling pressure caused the price to come back down here, and we do see that this yellow line is continual resistance, causing the price to trade under in this area. So we do see a bounce here potentially at the 14 level. If not, we could come back down here and retest this big crucial area of support of the support box that I drew in blue, and also come and maybe have some wicks down here around the 10 and 11. But we do see more support at 12, and we do see another support here on the Fibonacci retracement at the 0.000014 area. So that is the price for Shiba token at the moment. Where do we see this going in the near future? Well, let's take a look at that. So we're back on the 4-hourly, and we do see that we can potentially create this W pattern where we've seen right here, and we do have our resistance, our key resistance at this blue box of resistance at the 0.000020 cent range, and we've only seen some wicks to the upside and that continual resistance of the 21 days. So once we get above this 21-day moving average, that to me is going to be the indicator that we're going to be going to our next leg up for the Shiba token. But as of right now, we're still getting resisted from this 21 moving average. We also see that if we do break this neckline of this double bottom pattern, as of right now, we're still trading sideways in there. But once we start making our way up to retest this area here of our blue box, we could see that potential move that I already outlined right here from the top of the neckline to the bottom. We do see our price target here back at this critical area at 0.000029. And if we also take our Fibonacci retracement level, our Fibonacci retracement here from the swing high down to the swing low, we do see that our price targets at the 1.272, 1.414, and 1.618 Fibonacci take profits are exactly in confluence with our breakout of this W pattern, exactly right here at our 0.000030 region. And that would be a price move of, from the breakout, of around 45%. And we do see some more take profit areas here at the next line of resistance, which would be a 62% move from the breakout. But if we measure it from our price action right now, we could see a 90% move and also a 114% move. So pretty much doubling your money here. That is great to see. But we also can see a move to the downside of about 27% before we get down here to our next support box. So it could go down 30%, but it also has potential to go up 80 to 100% here in the next coming days if this W pattern does break out. But that's only if we start using our 21-day moving average, our yellow line, as support, and also we get that confirmation breakout. We get more volume here at this area here. Once we start moving towards the upside, we start getting more green candle volumes like this and like this. We need that in order to confirm the breakout. But as of right now, our volume is decreasing. Our RSI is also decreasing. So this resetting after this huge run up. But now we have potentially the setup to go up to the next leg up. That is my price predictions for this day. But remember, if you are a Shiba holder and you are a part of the SHIB army, it is important for you to stay updated, and you can stay updated by turning bell notifications and subscribing to the channel. But that is it for my video. Thank you so much for your support. Peace out.